How to fix GCash app declined your payment. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if your GCash app declined your payment, it must be because the app has various issues. So, for that, what you can do is go to your settings and then scroll down and tap on apps, then search for the GCash app. So once you find it, tap on it and then go to storage and clear cache and then come back and then force stop. Then you can uninstall the app and then reinstall it again by going to the Play Store. And if that also doesn't work, then you can restart the device. This also helps to fix the issue. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.